What's up, sluggers? Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where performance meets passion. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best baseball batting gloves. Whether you're stepping into the batter's box for the first time or already raking line drives to the fence, the right pair of gloves can change your swing, boost your confidence, and protect your hands from sting and sweat. So, let's swing into it. Your next favorite pair of batting gloves might just be on this list. Why do you need baseball batting gloves? If you're into baseball, you've probably wondered, are batting gloves really necessary? As someone who's played the game and spent plenty of time in the cage, I can tell you, yes, they make a big difference. While some players choose to go without, the best baseball batting gloves offer clear advantages that can elevate your performance and keep you comfortable. Here's what they bring to the plate. Better grip. So, no more slipping. Get a firm, steady hold on the bat, even with sweaty hands. Shock absorption. Cuts down the sting on cold hits or off-center swings. Hand protection. Shields your palms from blisters, friction, and calluses. And for kids, teens, or weekend warriors, quality gloves protect growing hands and build consistency. Let's count down the top 5 that deliver. Number 5. Franklin Sports MLB Batting Gloves CFX Pro Style. These are the gloves you see on real MLB fields. Designed for pros, built for everyday players. The Franklin CFX Pro gloves bring it all. Premium leather, quad flex creasing so your hand moves naturally, and tectonic inserts for max flexibility without losing structure. You feel the bat, you feel the swing, but not the sting. Whether you're hitting bombs in BP or grinding it out in the cage, this glove will hold up and keep you looking like a big leaguer. Number 4. Rawlings Workhorse Batting Gloves, built like a tank. No glove name fits better than Workhorse. These things are tough, with oil-tack leather for maximum grip and durability. The Rawlings Workhorse has a reinforced palm pad that takes the sting out of even the hardest fastballs, and a flexible neoprene cuff that hugs your wrist like a pro glove should. They're built for daily use and abuse, perfect for players who live in the batting cage. If you're looking for long-term value and unmatched comfort, Rawlings delivers. Number 3. Marucci 2021 Code Adult Batting Glove, Premium Control. Marucci doesn't mess around. Known for their bats, their Code gloves bring that same precision to your hands. You get a digitally embossed leather palm for elite grip, plus a durable mesh back for breathability without giving up strength. It feels lightweight, but plays heavyweight. And once you break these in, they mold to your hand like custom gear. Sleek, snug, and laser-focused on performance, this one's a hitter's dream. Number 2. Mizuno MVP Batting Gloves, soft, stylish, game-ready. These gloves are called MVP for a reason. The Mizuno MVP batting gloves offer smooth leather palms for feel and comfort, combined with flex mesh for excellent fit and airflow. It's the kind of glove you throw on and immediately feel locked in. Whether you're in high school ball or crushing rec league pitching, this one balances comfort, performance, and price like a pro. And bonus, they look super clean on the field. Number 1. Franklin Shock Sorb X. Goodbye sting, hello control. If vibration kills your swing, Shock Sorb is your savior. Franklin's patented shock-absorbing palm padding makes sure even mishits feel smooth, protecting your hands from sting and fatigue. The leather stays soft, while the flexible construction lets you grip up and go full power. It's the perfect choice for players who value comfort, control, and clean contact. If you're just getting started or swinging every day, these are seriously underrated. You're not just buying gloves. You're buying confidence at the plate. The grip between your fingers is the only thing connecting you to the bat, and that moment, that crack, that sweet spot is everything. Whether you're chasing a scholarship, hitting with your kid, or just playing weekend games with the boys, the right pair of gloves gives you the control and comfort to love the game more every day. Don't settle. Step up. All right, hitters, if you found your glove of choice today, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a gear upgrade from Consumer Heaven. Tell me in the comments, what gloves are you swinging with this season? Are you Team Franklin, Rawlings, or Mizuno all the way? And if you're picking one up, be sure to use the Amazon links below to support the channel and get the best deals. Until next time, stay sharp, swing smart, and hit it where they ain't.